So here we have a passenger side stock RS4 headlight, and the weight is a little bit over 3,368 grams. Here we have a made in China aftermarket headlight for the RS4. Yeah, this one is under 3 kilos, so I'm gonna save close to 400 grams on those headlights. So as you can see, I have the blinking headlight range. Right. Lights are working, but it is blinking. If I go in select and I choose headlight range, I have a non-existing system. So if I go in full codes here, I have no signal on the bus. If I go in central electric, if I look at my coding, I have 01023, which means coding is 0, which means limousine, 1 with a rain light sensor, 0, no trailer hitch, 2, so bike xenon with daylight running lights, and 3, USA Canada with bike xenon. I tried all the options of coding, but none of them do work as long as the headlight range controller module is connected. You will get a fault. So there is a simple solution, which is to disable the power to the headlight range module. This can be done simply by pulling a fuse. So if you go to the fuse box and get to fuse number 10, you can pull this fuse out. So here I'm just pulling this fuse out. I just have OK and no more sign. And I can turn my lights on. My lights are still working. And the code has disappeared. And so now, if I go in VCDS, if I try to go to the headlight range, you won't be able to connect to the module because the module is not powered anymore. But that makes the ECU happy enough to not trigger a malfunction indicator light. So we are all set. That's how you solve the P0271 code if you want to use non-adaptive headlights on your RS4. If you like this content, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you.